my name is Craig, and in this episode of Gimme 2 Minutes, we're going to look at commas, the mightiest of all punctuation marks. Contrary to popular belief, commas don't just signify pauses in a sentence. In fact, precise rules govern when to use this punctuation mark. When followed, they lay the groundwork for clear written communication. So, when do we use the mighty comma? We use a comma before any coordinating conjunction, such as and, but, for, or, nor, so, yet. That links two independent clauses. For example, I went running and I saw a duck. We use a comma after a dependent clause that might start a sentence, such as, when I went running, I saw a duck. We also use commas to separate items in a series, such as, I saw a duck, a magician, and a liquor store when I went running. We also use a comma after introductory adverbs or a simple yes or no, such as, finally, I went running, and no, I didn't do it. We also use a comma when introducing a quotation, such as, the runner said, I saw a duck. We also use a comma between two adjectives that modify the same noun, such as, I saw the big, mean duck when I went running. Commas should also be used to separate an embedded clause from the rest of the sentence, such as, I went to the city, not to the supermarket, when I finished my work. Finally, we use commas to separate every sequence of three numbers when writing numbers larger than 999, with the exception of years and house numbers. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information. Good luck with your assignment.